And if your body was inflamed, would you know it? Having an inflamed body leads to problems sleeping, bad mood, lack of energy. I'm Molly, and I'm leaving you my quick and tasty recipe so you can experience the benefits of a diet that helps your body right away. Green Goddess Anti-Inflammatory Potion. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, peeled and sliced. 1 cup spinach leaves. 1/2 avocado, peeled and pitted. 1/2 cup fresh mint leaves. 1 green apple, cored and sliced. 1 lime, juiced. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1 teaspoon fresh ginger, grated. 1 cup coconut water. Ice cubes. Honey or agave syrup, optional, for sweetness. Fresh mint leaves and cucumber slices for garnish. Green Goddess Anti-Inflammatory Potion is a vibrant elixir that brings together the healing powers of green vegetables and herbs. This potion, enriched with cucumber, spinach, avocado, and mint, offers a refreshing and nourishing experience. The addition of chia seeds and ginger enhances its anti-inflammatory properties, making it a delightful wellness drink. Ensure all ingredients are fresh and well prepared. Grate the fresh ginger. Assembling the potion. In a blender, combine the cucumber slices, spinach leaves, avocado, fresh mint leaves, green apple slices, lime juice, chia seeds, grated ginger, and coconut water. Add ice cubes for a chilled and invigorating potion. Blend on high speed until the mixture becomes smooth and velvety. Adjusting sweetness and consistency. Taste the potion and adjust the sweetness by adding honey or agave syrup if desired. Check the consistency. Add more coconut water if you prefer a lighter texture. Pour the Green Goddess Anti-Inflammatory Potion into a tall glass. Garnish with fresh mint leaves and cucumber slices for an extra touch of freshness. Serve immediately to enjoy the full flavor and vitality of the potion. This potion pairs well with a light salad or can be enjoyed on its own as a revitalizing midday drink. Consume the potion immediately for optimal taste and nutritional benefits. Green Goddess Anti-Inflammatory Potion is a testament to the rejuvenating power of green ingredients. The combination of cucumber, spinach, avocado, and mint creates a symphony of flavors that not only refreshes your palate but also provides a boost of essential nutrients. Sip on this potion to embrace the healing properties of nature, making it a perfect addition to your wellness routine. Whether as a morning pick-me-up or an afternoon refresher, let the Green Goddess Potion be your ally in promoting health and vitality. Try the full recipes in the link below, subscribe to the channel and enjoy healthy and tasty recipes.